Today we will be talking on IPPB, India Post Payment Banks, which is actually mandated to remove the barriers for unbanked and underbanked and reach the last mile leveraging the postal network. It was opened in 2018 and the Post Payment Bank is an accessible, affordable and reliable bank for the common man. With the just help of an Aadhaar card, a person can avail all the banking services by requesting the same to the local postman, that is Grameen Dak Sevak. And since the time it is initiated, the number of the clients are increasing many folds. And if you talk about the statistics in the January 22, it is having more than 5 crores customers. So the Reserve Bank of India granted India Post permission to operate the payment bank way back in August 19, 2015, and now it is a reality. And if you talk about the Union Cabinet approval, it got the approval of 1,435 crores of rupees to set up the bank. And this is actually a pilot project which started in 2 states, that is Raipur and Ranchi. So the first section received about 10,000 postmen and about 3.5 crore clients by September 2020. And I said the number of the clients have increased more than 5 crores, in which the underbanked and unbanked population, especially when you talk about the rural sector, they are receiving the banking services at the doorsteps. So India Post can leverage its vast network and the rural presence running a payment bank, which will help set up its own set of challenges. So the project will actually investigate the different products and the services that can be viably offered by IPPB. And it includes the population, especially the migrant laborers, daily wage earners, blue collar workers, housewives, pensioners and MSME sector. So it's a big step towards the financial inclusion and help in achieving the sustainable development goals, that is reducing the poverty, financial inclusion and gender equality. So the statistics which we actually see about the India Post payment banks, 50% of the accounts are by ladies and they are the women account holders, and 98% of the accounts have been opened actually at the doorsteps of the customers, and the direct benefit transfers have been received substantially by the women. So many RuPay debit cards have been issued. The digital life certificates have been issued. So this particular bank is doing really very well, receiving and achieving the good benefits and going paperless. So since the introduction of IPPB, the rural banking infrastructure has increased 2.5 times, and the people are actually getting the benefits of mobile ATMs, getting their problem resolved, and the Grameen Dak Sevaks are actually carrying the technology in their pocket to make the sustainable development goals achievement a reality. They have actually started with the good services like Aadhaar enabled payment services, door delivered of DBTs, that is the direct benefit transfers, doorstep generation of digital life certificates and domestic money transfers. So, by updating the mobile numbers, Aadhaar card child enrollment services are also launched. The digital life certificates is now a reality and has actually been used by nearly 5 lakh people. General insurance services, accidental insurance services, cash-based bill payments is now available for all citizens regardless of whether they are IPPB account holder or not. They are also launching the different categories of the people in which not even a single person will be left unbanked. So the initiative is actually to envelop the entire population, especially the rural sector. The IPP has launched the Fincluvation scheme, which is the innovation scheme, which is in collaboration with the financial inclusion and technology startups. So the launch of the premium payment services for the postal life insurance, that is PLI, and the rural postal life insurance, that is RPLI, through IPPB channels, that is the mobile banking, micro ATMs and cash-based systems, the customers can make the payment anytime through a mobile banking app or at assisted channels by sharing the policy number and the policy holder with their date of birth. So, India Post Payment Bank is not just a bank, but it is the biggest initiative in the country to achieve the goal of financial inclusion. This is the statement given by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. 1.47 lakh doorstep banking service providers who are providing door-to-door banking services, 1.37 lakh post offices and 1.20 post offices in the rural areas. So we can see here that almost like 6 crores IPBB bank accounts opened in digital and paperless mode, and 90% of the customers are from rural India. Every second bank account in IPBB is held by women, and 95% of these accounts are active, and accounts of 98% women have been opened at their doorsteps. So more than 68% of the women got the DBT and the customer deposit balance of more than rupees 5,000 crores. So more than 165.11 crore financial transactions involving rupees 2,63,748 crores, which is a substantial amount. 90% of IPBB customers are transacting on the assisted mode through the postman and Grameen Dak Sevaks, who are fully equipped with the smartphones, biometric devices, e-ATM machines and providing the simplified banking services in the remote areas. More than 8.87 crores of the direct disbursement transactions worth rupees 10,431 crores. So, more than 5 crores of child enrollment life client transactions have been done. More than 25,265 crore disbursements to customers of other banks through over 8.84 crore Aadhaar enabled payment services transactions have been done. So what here is that more than 24,430 crore delivery at the doorsteps of the customer in hotspots and migrant camps during the COVID-19 lockdown, reducing their need to step out of their homes, thus containing the spread of the virus COVID-19, which is definitely a very appreciable step. The consumers of the Department of Post, India Post and India Post Payment Banks can now transact banking services through Dak Pay app. Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, former Minister of Communications and Information Technology, launched this app on 15th of December 2020. The Dak Pay will offer digital financial and banking services being provided through the postal network by India Post and IPBB across the country. So far, more than 99.78 lakh IPPB mobile apps have been downloaded. That means the people are using it to substantially big and the large number. IPPB offers the facility to open zero balance saving account. So if you see this particular pie chart, we can see here the desk, counter and the mobile apps, and the rest of it is the account acquisition channel. So that means the proportion of the accounts open in the rural areas, and see the success of this India Payment Post Payment Bank account. We can see here that the account balancing is showing a rising trend. And there are some transformational changes which needs a special mention here. Because launching of the scheme is not enough. Making it, maintaining it and changing it dynamically as per the circumstances makes it more effective. So here are few transformational changes. This initiative has effectively brought all the banking and financial services at the doorsteps of all citizens. This initiative has played a major role in capacity building of the post offices. Apart from this, Now more than 1.47 lakh postmen and डाक सेवक्स are enabled as door banking service providers. A daily wage laborer who earlier had to give up a day's wages to withdraw MGNREGS payments or other direct benefit transfers no longer needs to go to the bank. He can withdraw the cash at the workplace or at his home. So this particular recent schemes, the wages revealed that the post office users seems to be most satisfied with the quality of these services. And the average cost of going to the post office to get your wages is the lowest at rupees 6 as compared to 31 for going to the bank and rupees 11 for CSC and 67 rupees for going to an ATM. So out of the 5 crore accounts, 77% of the accounts are open in the rural areas, 48% are women customers and around 1000 crores of deposits. So nearly 40 lakh women customers received the direct benefit transfer and their account valued at rupees 2500 crores. So more than 7.8 lakh accounts have been opened for the school students also. So basically we can see here that the overall message what we get in terms of issuing the diversified products, in terms of enveloping the rural sector, in terms of reducing the substantial cost of the transaction, IPPB is actually showing a very successful and a pivotal role in this regard. So coming on to the diversified product suite. Keeping in sync with the changing times, the bank launched a range of diversified products and services during the financial year 2021 to meet evolving customer needs and the preferences. With expanding bouquet of innovative solutions, it has been our constant endeavor to deliver a holistic and complete 360-degree banking experience that is contemporary, seamless and built for the new normal. IPBB's products and services portfolio is wide-ranging and includes the saving account, the current account, the money transfer, payment of the utility bills, Aadhaar-enabled payment systems, virtual debit cards, government to citizen services. So basically these aspects and these services, we can see on this particular map that we are having 650 branches of IPPB and it is almost touching the entire India. So we can see here the total number of customers over the years are increasing. The number of total deposits is also showing an increasing trend. The value of the digital financial transactions is also showing an increasing trend. So the number of digital financial transactions followed by the value of AEPS transactions and the total DBT beneficiaries are also showing an increasing trends. So India Post Payment Banks, the key functions are account types like India Post Payment IPBB opens 3 types of saving account. The basic saving account, the Saral account and the Safal account, and the last is the Sugam account. So these Safal, Sugam and Saral are the 3 types of the basic accounts which the India Post Payment Banks offer. Now coming on to the deposit limit. An IPPB current and the saving account is allowed to have a maximum of rupees 1 lakh in its account if it offers a 4% interest rate on the saving account. What are the key services? IPPB offers social security payments like Manrega wages, direct benefit transfers and give access to the third party services like insurance and mutual funds. It also offers a debit card services. So India Post Payment Bank offers a free debit card with an annual maintenance fees of only rupees 100. So At India Post Payment Bank, we understand the need of the customers, and that is why we have tailored our banking products and services to be the simplest and the most efficient ones. This is the statement given by IPPB that they are actually making the services of the bank very, very simple, very efficient, cost effective, and encouraging the financial inclusion to the last mileage, what they can take. Like they accept the deposits in two types of accounts, the saving account and the current account. The money transfer is also very simple and secure. It is instant and money transfer is available 24/7. Then moving on to the direct benefit transfers, we have MGNREGA, we have scholarships, and we have a social welfare benefits and other government subsidies. Moving on to third party products. They have an excellent third party products which includes the loans, insurance, investments and post office saving schemes. They also offer the bill and utility payments, that is the mobile and DTH recharge, electricity, water and gas bills, donations and insurance premiums. So this is what we call it as a bill and utility payments. Not only this, they also offer enterprise and merchant payments like postal products, digital payments of e-commerce delivery, that is COD, small merchant Kirana stores, unorganized retail, then offline payments and the cash management services. So the offer which they give in terms of the products and in terms of the services is huge, which includes the deposits, money transfer, direct benefits transfers, third party transactions and some other aspects which are definitely very, very important. It also includes the bill and utility payments, enterprise and the merchant payments. Now there are some value propositions which I would like to highlight. The first is accessibility. The IPPB will be leveraging the vast postal network of nearly 1.55 lakh post offices and 3 lakh postal employees in every district, town and village of the country to serve you. And as we continue to expand our services to every doorstep, our postman will become your trusted financial service advisor, working hard to ensure that you get what you need, be it receiving your money in the fastest possible way. So, these value propositions are very, very important. The saving for your loved ones, investing for a brighter future. For us, every customer is important. Every transaction is significant. Every deposit is valuable, no matter what the value is. This is what we truly mean when we say, Aapka bank, aapke dwar. So these are the value propositions which this particular bank, that is IPPB, offers to the customer base. Next is your approachability. The last mile delivery of the services through the postman, a son of the soil and friend, philosopher and the financial guide to the people. Next is ease of banking. IPPB integrates easily with the existing bouquet of the post office services, extends the services through a frictionless shift. The last mile delivery agent is empowered with financial knowledge and intuitively design digital tools to offer financial services and the guidance with the relative ease. Then we have a digital ecosystem, that is the macro level and individual level. The IPPB's 360-degree payment suites creates transparency, removes the corruption and the leakages and contributes to a less cash economy. When you talk about the individual level, it provides the customers with the ability to transact without cash through digital channels and enable the small business to accept the digital payments, thus closing the loop. Then they have their aspirations. So let us talk about that. The first is your wealth grows from wealth. Even the small savings can go a long way towards ensuring a better future. Then is securing the unsecured. The small investments and insurance to protect you against the unforeseen events. Ensuring the financial freedom, money in your hands whenever you need it. India Post Payment is gearing up to lead the next revolution of banking as one of the largest financial inclusion networks in India, covering both the urban and the rural areas. Our new model of banking aims to enable the individuals, small business, merchants, and others to utilize a full-fledged digital banking services. We are paving the way for India's largest banking network to reach every corner of the nature. So we endeavor to stay true to our motto. Every customer is important. Every transaction is significant. And every deposit is valuable, no matter what the value of the customer is. Now, there are some advantages of IPPB. The first is ease of banking, that is self-onboarding, paperless banking, zero initial deposit. The second is most accessible bank, banking at your fingerstep, go digital with IPPB and the doorstep banking. Link to POSA. Link to POSA IPPB account, seamless sweep in and sweep up accounts, easy account management. And the next advantage of IPPB is advanced payment modes, that is the QR card based payments. Show, authorized, transact, and actually it is a hassle free payment. The products what they offer is a saving account and a current account. The saving account is a premium saving, that is premium khata is a variant of IPPB saving bank account which is offered to the customers who are willing to subscribe to the premium account services and avail our value added services. Then we have a digital saving account for the people who are tech savvy and comfortable with the technology. IPPB's digital saving account is the best way to onboard yourself through the IPB mobile app. So this app can be downloaded from a Play Store on your Android phone and also available on an app store of iPhone users. Anyone above the age of 18 years having an Aadhaar card, a PAN card can open this digital saving account. And then we have a regular saving account. This regular saving account can be opened at bank's access point and your doorsteps. So this account can be used to keep the funds secure, withdraw the cash, deposit the money and perform easy remittances. And besides, a host of the other benefits. In addition, interest can be earned on the money kept in this account and the cash withdrawals allowed in this account are unlimited. So this saving account has all the features and the benefits offered by the regular saving account, except that it shows only 4 cash withdrawals in a month. The aim of this basic saving account is to provide primary banking services at a very nominal charges. So the bank at your convenience, instant and paperless account opening using Aadhaar and the applicable rules, easy and convenient non-eKYC account opening, Rupee viral debit cards, virtual debit cards for online transactions, no monthly average balance required to be maintained. The account can be opened with a zero balance, free monthly e-statement, mini statement through SMS, simplified banking services using QR card, instant fund transfer using IMPS, easy bill payment and recharges, and it can be linked with POSA, that is the Post Office Saving Account. You can send and receive using a BHIM UPI ID. What makes this bank a different bank? It's a free account opening at your doorsteps. It is having assisted services through Grameen Dak Sevaks as and when required, and availability of the funds at your doorsteps upon a request. The bill payment facility is also available at the doorsteps. Simple and secure banking with a QR card and multilingual customer support, no commitment of minimum balance, nominal charges, and day-end balance above 2 lakh can be swept into POSA, that is the Post Office Saving Account. The access to our growing merchant network, unlimited cash deposits and withdrawals. So basically, when you talk about the rates, the annual interest rate, frequency of the payout, balance up to 1 lakh Indian rupees is 2%, balance above 1 lakh Indian rupees quarterly, and up to 2 lakhs is 2.25%. So overall, we can say that the overall commitment of IPP is immense. It makes it different because of the assisted services, because of the bill payment, because of the multilingual, because of the nominal charges, because of the easy withdrawals. So they provide not only the bill payment, remittance, direct transfers, and the availability of the debit cards. Thank you so much.